Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is the differences between GeneratePress free theme versus their premium plugin. GeneratePress is a very popular WordPress theme, and if you check in today's blogging world, you will find that most of the blogs are actually using GeneratePress themes because this theme is very much lightweight, the theme is very much SEO friendly, and it is very easily customizable. These days many people are using page builders also, and on top of GeneratePress, if you use page builder, you can create an amazing website. There are various examples of website who are using GeneratePress themes as well as a combination of a page builder. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the major differences between GeneratePress free version as well as their premium version. As a beginner, you can start with GeneratePress free version, but the free version has couple of limitations, which is okay for the beginners. You can start with this free version also, but the theme doesn't look like appealing. The theme doesn't look like very much beautiful. So let me first show you how exactly GeneratePress free theme looks like, how the design will look like, what are the limitations we are going to get with this free version, and then I have the premium version and I will use the premium version and you can see the differences immediately. So let's go to my demo website. So this is the website where I will install GeneratePress. So right now you can see that this is a default WordPress theme that I have installed it on it. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and themes, click on add new, search for GeneratePress. So this is the theme, you have to install it. So this theme is available in WordPress directory. Simply click on install, activate. That's it. So let's visit the website. So you can see that our website is live with GeneratePress theme. So this is how the website is looking right now. So it's a very neat and clean design. There is a header, there is a menu, this is a blog post section, sidebar and footer with some credit. Okay. Now definitely nobody is going to settle down with such a basic design. We generally want to do at least some sort of a customization to change these things. What we can do, let's check out the customization options available. So for that, what you can do, go to the left side appearance, under that there is something called customize. Okay, before that let's click on this GeneratePress option. Let's see what is available here. So you can see that premium modules. So under this GeneratePress section, there are plenty of things which is coming as premium modules, means background, blog section, color, copyright, disable elements. Many elements are there which is not available with the free version. So let's go to the customize section and let's check out what is available with the free version. Okay, so what we can do, there is site identity available, so we can hide and like tagline and title. We can upload a logo, there is not a problem. So I do not have any image right now, so that's not a problem. You can upload your logo, so that is available. In the layout, there is container, you can increase the length, so that's fine. In the header section, header preset, header width, okay. Primary navigation, that also you can control. Sidebar, fine. Footer, you can enable footer. Blog, yes. Content type full or accept, so let's make it accept. Okay, so let's make it accept and I publish. So you can see that, so it has, so now the look will change because I made it as accept. Again go back. Colors, yes, there are few colors available. Then typography is also available. You can choose the font. So one of my favorite font is Roboto. So whatever way you want, you can change it. General, okay. Menu, we do not have any menu right now. You can create a menu. So these are the settings that is available right now. So here the problem is that this is a very basic design, and if you want to change the design, you have to understand how to like work with the CSS and all those things, which is very, very complicated and technical. And one more thing is that this section, this footer section also, we cannot change it. and there are various other things that is missing in this GeneratePress free version. Now they have their premium version. What we will get in this premium version, the most important thing that I like about their premium version is that they have something called site library. So just go there. Okay, now in this site library, what you will get, you will actually get some ready to design website layouts that you can immediately import on your website. So there are various types of designs already created for you. What you have to do, you just have to import those settings in your website and your website design will completely look like that. So this is one of my favorite, and you will find this design is applicable in many websites. You can see that the header part is coming like this. It's a like logo and menu combined in one line, which is not possible here. So those kind of limitations are there. That's the reason I always recommend people to go with the GeneratePress premium version. And why I am recommending, because this is actually a very cheap option. This is, you can see that around $50, and with that you will get the license to use this theme on unlimited website for 1 year. You will get the free update. After that you have to renew it, and that is also with a 40% renewal discount. So this is one of the best investment that you can do for your website or blog, and I always recommend that you must go with the premium version, because with this layout there is no problem, you can start your blogging, but look wise, design wise, it is not at all beautiful. So now let's do one thing, let's just install the GeneratePress premium version and try to see how we can modify this entire website. Now GeneratePress premium is not at all a theme, means like other themes, this is not at all a theme. Actually this is a plugin. So what we can do, so we can go to the plugin section, click on add new. So I have already downloaded the GeneratePress premium version plugin, so let me upload it. You can see that I have uploaded the GP premium, that zip from my account, I have uploaded it. So now install it. Now activate the plugin. So GP premium has activated. Now what you can do, you have to click on this configure button. So now you can see that here multiple options are already available to activate, but before that what you need to update the license so that you are going to get the regular updates. Updates are very much important, because nowadays WordPress is also updating their system every now and then. There are multiple threads going on in online, so all the bugs and problems GeneratePress is fixing on their themes, you should get updated with those latest fixes. Otherwise what will happen, your website can be hacked anytime if you are using old layout or old code. So make sure you use the license and stay updated with whatever changes GeneratePress is doing. So let me put the license key and then save it here. So you can see that license is activated. Now what I will do, I'll just scroll down and activate this site library first. Okay, if you have no idea what exactly are these things, don't do anything, simply activate the site library first. Go to the site library, and whatever I have showed you, that there are already ready to use templates are available. So you just go there and look for the templates which are okay. So there is an update available, I think. Let me check it. Yes, so let me update the plugin and I will get access to the latest site libraries also. Okay, so go to GeneratePress site library. Yes, you can see that all the themes are available right now. So let's go there, scroll down. So there are plenty of themes and templates available. You can see that this kind of beautiful templates are available. So the one I am looking for, that is Marketer. So this is what I personally like, and you will also notice that many websites are using this template. So what you need to do, just click on details, backup options. Okay, backup. Now here one important thing that you have to remember is that if your website is completely new, so for example this blog is completely new, there is no content, nothing, then you simply import the option And then in the second one, you can skip this step. If you have already lots of content on your blog, so do not choose the demo content. Okay, you just skip that option and you are done. Or else what you can do, you can simply check it here. All it should be installed already. So you can see that it's already installed actually. So you no need to do anything after that, after the first step. As this is a completely new blog, or you can say a demo website, what I'll do, I'll simply click on this import content also. So what will happen? It will install all the necessary plugins and everything, and it will create the exactly same layout for me. Okay, now let me refresh it. So you can see that it has created the exactly same layout. Whatever I have opted for, it has created exactly the same layout. Follow me widgets. So there is recent post. So already some content. You can see that featured image. So it looks beautiful actually. It looks really beautiful. Okay. So I hope you understand that what's the difference between the free version and the premium version. Now with this premium plugin, or with this GeneratePress premium plugin, you have completely changed the entire design of your website without doing anything. Yes, this is just a few clicks away. You can get a beautiful design like this. Now let me try few more designs. Let's go back. Go to site library. Okay, no problem. So let's say this is another like landing page kind of a design. So let me click on this. Okay, let's backup option, import the options. So right now I'm able to do it because this is a demo website, and I just want to show you that how like easy or how beautiful the things are with GeneratePress premium version. So now here it is like installing Generate Blocks, Happy Forms, couple of plugins, and it is trying to create a similar design like this. That's it. So now let me refresh it. So you can see that a beautiful website like this kind of a landing page website has automatically created. See, you do not need to hire any person. You do not need to do any sort of a coding. Simply you get this kind of a beautiful design with the help of GeneratePress premium version. Now definitely you need to know how to edit this like layouts, and for them they have dedicated documentation and all those things. If you spend some time to understand how exactly these things are working, you can easily design this kind of a website. And that's completely without using any paid page builders. Okay, so definitely they have installed some page builder, I'm sure. So let me go to the plugins. So there is something called Generate Blocks. Okay, so Generate Blocks, yes, see lots of plugins has already installed. So with the help of this plugins and GeneratePress premium site library option, you can create this kind of website very easily, just few clicks away. So that's the major difference with GeneratePress free version with GeneratePress premium version. And as I already mentioned, this premium version will cost you very minimal investment. Go for it without thinking anything, because this is kind of a you can say that important investment, because you just need to get one license and you can use this theme on unlimited website. If you have a website designing business, then you can design plenty of websites with the help of GeneratePress theme. Okay, so this is it all about in this video. In coming videos, I will be sharing more tutorials related to GeneratePress, and I will show you as a blogger or as a beginner how you can do lot of things, like how you can do small things, how you can customize the theme, how you can create logo, how you can change the footer, and plenty of tutorials around GeneratePress themes in coming videos. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.